Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a flashy pass in NBA 2K26. This is one of those moves that not only looks stylish but can also help you build up your playmaking badges while making your passes look smooth and creative. Doing a flashy pass is actually really simple. All you need to do is press cross and circle together on PlayStation or A and B together on Xbox. Press them both at the same time and your player will throw a flashy pass to a teammate. You can also aim your pass by using the left stick toward the player you want to pass to. Keep in mind, this move works best for point guards or players with high passing ratings because if your pass accuracy is too low, there is a higher chance it will get stolen. If you are playing in My Career or The Park, you can even customize your flashy pass animations by equipping different passing styles or packages to make it look unique to your player. And that's it. That's how you do a flashy pass in NBA 2K26. Try it out, have some fun with it, and let me know if you will be using it in your games. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.